Hello, once again, I encourage you and say thank you for constantly watching my video. If you are yet to watch other videos, kindly click on the subscription button as I bring you daily videos concerning solar energy. Today, I have a review of top brands in solar powered camera. How do I need it? Why do I normally use my solar power camera? What are the brands that can withstand the test of time when I'm running my installations? Why do I choose to use World Vision? Why do I choose to use UC Vision? Why do I choose to use U-Box as an app? And why do I choose to equally use V380 as an app? So these are the things you are going to see in this video. If today is your first time of watching my video, kindly bring out your book and also bring out your phone for applications, because I'll be teaching you how you can do it yourself and also teach another person how to do it. With my videos, you will always get the things on your own because it contains a real practicals and dealings that will help you for your personal development in solar technology. Right now, I move to show you the top brand that stands out when you are running your installations. Now, I will show you our review and why we choose it to be the best for this period. For instance, we have what makes them the best, the sustainability, how durable it have lasted is also a testimony to the things I want to show you now. Let's go. So you see how these cameras works and why we choose them to be the best at the moment. Let's go. This camera you see now is actually a solar powered camera. It has advantage over every other cameras you have out there. Then I have, as you can see, this is HD intelligent solar power cameras, PTZ. As you all know, we have different brand of it. Why do I choose to use UC Vision? And why am I using 5MP to power and monitor my place? I have reasons for that. One is that why I choose 5MP cameras is because the visibility is so clear. It is very clear when you are viewing it, and it has the ability to capture the moment per time and equally give you a clear visions of whosoever that come across your environment, unlike our normal 2MP and rest of them. This stands out as the best because it will help you to view the object that is being captured, and it helps you also to know the exact time. It has the features like other ones that rotate and still come back to its normal position. But with this camera, you can monitor everything that happens to your environment. And because of these features, it will help you to know what happened per time. I have another one here. Like I just choose the two brands I used to work with today, and I've decided to show you. I'll show you the 5MP with 5G lights that I use, and equally I'll be showing you another one that we use to power with V380. What is the camera all about? See it. This is another PTZ. The only difference between this and this is that their app are quite different. This uses U-Box, and this particular camera, as you can see, let me unbox it and show you, uses V380. So in Nigeria, we have cameras that are reliable and what works in our environment and what works very well effectively. This is for so from my experience, whenever you're using V380, it is important to know the network that serves better with it. The best network for this is Airtel SIM card. So wherever you are putting it in your remote environment, ensure you put the workable SIM card that makes it effective. But in U-Box, it is very active both in MTN, Glo, Airtel, or any network around whenever you choose to use it. So right now, I'll show you the cameras. When you are selecting your camera, ensure you consider these factors. Which app am I going to use? Why do I choose to use U-Box? Or why do I choose to use V380? These are being determined by the camera's configuration and its features. Like each company has their own features and has a particular app that makes it to work effectively. So this is very important to note. Whenever you're choosing your camera, the two basic apps that you need to know that is too versatile for everyone is U-Box, then V380. Then we have V380 Pro and also a normal U-Box that works effectively. With this, I have been able to show you that whenever you're making the choice of camera, you should consider the MP and equally consider the accessibility and availability of the network that is to be used. By so doing, you choose the app that is adaptable to the camera. See you in my next video.